nga American.
You know what?
Hmm.
I can remember like Lubabra.
Hmm.
And
Then?
the same thing as usual. My uncle Chavit visit here in Santiago.
Okay.
And he greet me a lot. Hey Airbank, what's your company? I tell to him that company team. Tidba.
Galing kayo. Lag, speech ka man. Para di ko ata kita tropa di Manila.
And I want to smoke some ass. Yeah. Second time around. Later
Laban.
on, later on.
Babe ah.
I need some operation.
Operation?
Check it out.
Naparamdam tayo garot man. Narapo ka.
Kini taladaan.
Baka nga tayo po vacuum man. Vacuum.
Promise ko bagi ko.
English ah, English ah. Na English. Sumbat ng English.
I promise to my dick no more gays.
Only.
Girls, we are 10.
No province.
No promise.
Galing ka talaga man. No province.
Can you hear that? Someone singing over there? That's my first cousin.
Yes.
I don't know her.
Mo first cousin mo. Taga naman. Umer.
USA.
Tudyaw sa naparan.
Yeah. LA. Lagang ilang
Sounds like USA too.
Yeah. LA. Lagang ilang bro.
LA.
Yeah.
Diba, so ka pa yan.
Wait a minute. I've seen her. I want to
Tungkol
have
din sa diba? Ano, sumuslo. English ah.
about girls. Mark Leslie have a lot of girls.
Ay! Tungkol siya agad. Ganyan pa, give up.
Kasi text ko lang agad.
Go! Guyo!
Kasi ting command mo. Game mo.
Kanya,
Ay,
mga siya, gago. Awanan man, good boy na kong. Yan.
Please kindly, can I smoke some?
Some.
Just a little couple of minutes.
Okay.
Just turn off